Hi friends, today we are going to learn the Magic E phonics rule. So what is the Magic E phonics rule? Some other names that you may know are silent E, or it's also called sneaky E, because the E at the end of the word makes the first vowel say its name, which is also the long vowel sound. Let's take a look here. Before there is the magic E, we have the word cap. K-a-p, cap. We also have kit. K-it, kit. And the next word is tub. T-a-b, tub. These words are consonant-vowel-consonant words. Now let's add the magic E. We have the word cape. The long A is a, k-ape, kite, k-ite, long I, t-ube, tube. The E at the end makes the vowel in the word say its name, its long vowel sound. Let's practice. We see T-A-P, tap, a. Then we add the magic E at the end, and it makes the word turn to tape, long A, t-ape. Let's spell a magic E word. Hope. H-O-P-E. Hope. Long O. And hope. You are doing great. Very good job. So keep practicing your magic E words.